Business analysts often work with data that's deeply relational, like people, products, or accounts, but it's hard to understand those relationships in rows and columns. And using external tools like Neo4j for graph analytics often means complex joins across datasets and ultimately slower time to insight. Now, with Visual Graph and Dataiku, you can define nodes and edges across datasets using a visual editor, then explore and query graphs in a dedicated web app, without any complex data joins and without leaving Dataiku. Select any node to see its properties and relationships visually. Ask questions of your graph using Cypher queries. An admin can save common queries for quick access, but you can also write your own. And if you don't know Cypher, simply ask your question in natural language. Dataiku automatically generates the Cypher query, and you can run it right here to get the answer. Traditionally, exporting this data to external tools like Neo4j meant spending a lot of time merging and preparing datasets first. Now, you can stack multiple datasets directly in the Graph plugin to define node groups, then publish to the flow. Once on the flow, the graph becomes an object that can be reused or built out further with visual recipes. For instance, compute metrics like PageRank, or execute further Cypher queries. And of course, you can still export to Neo4j easily using these visual recipes. With Visual Graph, you can now go from exploration to insight, and from graph to action, all within Dataiku.